Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 104. If we start with this box, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 1. 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. And I don't see any help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 8. No help here, 6, 8, 9. No help here, 6, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this box, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. That 3 makes this our 7, 3. For this row now, we're missing 7 and 8. I don't see any help, so 7, 8, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 6. No help here, 2, 4, 6. No help here, 2, 4, 6. If we look at this column, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 9. 7 and 9 here means this is our 8, 9, 7. With that 9, we can get rid of this 9. That means the only place our 9 can be in this box is here. If we look at this top row, we're missing 1, 6, 7, 8. No help here, 1, 6, 7, 8. 7 and 8 here, so 1, 6. 1 here, so 6, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 7, 8. 7 and 8 here, so 5, 6. 5 and 8 here, so 6, 7. 5 here, so 6, 7, 8. So if we look, the only place our 5 can be for that row is here. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, 6, 8. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, and 8 here. Means this is our 6. 4 here, 8 here makes this our 2. So we can get rid of this 6, this 6, this 6. This 6 makes this our 8. 6. 6 makes this our 1. So we can get rid of this 1. The 6. And if we look back in this box now, the only place our 4 can be is here. we look at this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 6. 1 here, so 2, 6. 6 here, so 1, 2. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 4, and that 2 makes this our 1, 6, 2. For this row now we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this row we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 1 here, so 9, 1. That 7 makes this our 8, 7. This 2 makes this our 6. This 4 and this 6 means this is our 2, 4. This 6 makes this our 7. 7 makes this our 8, 7. Seven makes this our 8. And that 8 makes this our 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.